The following is a demonstration of how to enter metadata to your video evidence using the AXON View app when the result of your contact is a citation being issued. Start by putting your body-worn camera into the pairing mode. Find the AXON View app on your department-issued smartphone and click on it. Once your phone pairs with your camera, you will see your videos populate on the screen. Select the video you want to tag and click on it. The ID field will always be left blank. The CAD integration program will fill this in when the body-worn camera is docked and the video uploaded. In the title field, type the site number and include a brief description such as traffic stop. Do not use radio codes, backslashes, or symbols. Be advised, if your incident has both a case and a site number, like a 12500 arrest, use the case number and description only. Note, if you respond as backup to any traffic stop, it is permissible to title your video evidence as traffic stop and add as the description backup or cover officer. Category: all traffic stops, whether a citation is issued or not, are considered a detention and shall be categorized that way unless your stop turns into an arrest. After you have completed the mask, click on Save. You have successfully tagged your video evidence. Be advised, after the video is uploaded, the above fields can be edited in evidence.com at a later time. Reminder, if you have failed to tag your videos before docking your camera, or have tagged them incorrectly, you are required to log into evidence.com and make any necessary changes. This will ensure that your video evidence is in compliance with department policy.